Nandito kami sa isang okasyon ng buong pamilya at mga kaibigan. Masaya kaming pumunta. Kasama ko ang aking asawa para dumalo sa kaarawan ng aking apo. Ito ay isang birthday party o debut party kung tawagin. Dito ginawa sa Cabuyao, Laguna. Dahil dito nakatira ang aking anak. Mula Maynila, nagbiyahe kami papuntang Cabuyao, Laguna. Kahit malayo, masaya kaming dumating kasi malakas pa kami at walang sakit para dumalo sa ganitong okasyon ng aking pamilya. Wala, hindi na kasama mo.
Okay, Angela, so you're the star of the night. All the attentions are yours. Okay, so what are you feeling right now? If you have one word of feeling emotion, one word only, what word would it be? Masaya. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating audience natin. And since our audience is already feeling happy and elated, they may just be overwhelmed. Just for us to check each one of them that is more than ready. This story with us, it's not like right. How about me? By the way, I am walking things for tonight, so mag-iilig ko tayo. So there we have it, the setup statement here. We are surrounded here, Angela, with very handsome gents and very pretty ladies. From these two tables, you are from table number 18, is it table number 5? And you are from table number 4. Okay, so esteemed guests and visitors, Angela, we have your table number 5 games. At kapag may palaro, so let's see. Okay, ano ba yung prizes natin? Nasaan ba yung prizes? Pwede mo pakisuyo yung ating prizes. Okay, so Angela, can you please see the microphone and then at kasi ang nickname ang alumni celebrant. So it's something like that. Malinaw po ba? Okay. And then once you're done speaking out your yes answer, our lovely debutant will of course verify if your answer is correct or wrong via tumpak or ligwa. Okay? Do you have the microphone?
Lagi mong binilip sa inyo mga kapatid ko na nag-ibig mo. Mag-aaral mo na mabuti, tapos hindi mo na yung pag-aaral. Kasi madali na lang ang lahat pag na meron yung kaibigan. Yun lang.
Laksan mo.
Naiyak ko tuloy si ate sa fashion.
Laksan mo.
Ate, kaya pa ba today? Bigay na lang lang. Kaya ba ate?
Okay.
PM na lang ka. Okay, picture mo tayo. Okay, may picture mo. So how about we take a picture first? Together with Angela, thank you. And now moving forward to the next year, not less 48.
I'm not very quickly yet, but syempre nag-expect na rin ako kasali sa videos na ayun lang, again,
Thank you so much.
happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging successful ka sa career ng ating hinahanap. At saka, sana sagutin mo na yung maliligaw namin si Carl.
Ang wish, sana bigay daw ang kamis na oo, okay? Thank you so much, Tita Nanay. Now, with a good song with our list is Prince's Name. Are you ready?
alam ko, marami ka pang kaya mong pakita sa mundo. Lagi mo lang talaga. Yun lang.
Thank you so much. So, parang nag-ako sa nagawin na. Once again, Miss Princess May.
Yan ako lang, happy birthday, sana hindi mo matulad. Ganun lang. Shoutout sa Jopay dyan, sa inyo ko, sa inyo ng lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Angelo. Sa'yo naman po si Sir Angelo, pang meeting di abance. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Angelo. In 3, 2, 1, smile. And now, walking naman tayo, walking tayo. Isang walking pose, okay. Walking in 3. Kailangan. Thank you so much for your joining. Okay, sir, yung post nyo daw po. Okay, kasama sa inyo. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung tayo ka dyan na pose. Okay, tingnan po tayo sa camera. And of course, we also have the 480 card roll. Do we have here? Is it Kuya John or Kuya John? It's Shirley. Now, Miss Shirley. Okay, so now let's, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman mo. Thank you so much, Kuya Ronald. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to complete the celebrating press and roll is to roll again. For the